Hello friends, if you like my videos then don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my videos. Please send us your questions through comment box, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. 5 steps to create a healthy relationship. Many relationships start on a good note but end up in tantrums because of irreparable issues. This is because probably some measures were not put in place to deal with all shocks that may arise. Creating a healthy relationship, therefore, becomes very vital, especially in this era where breakups are rampant. A healthy family therefore creates the zeal to want more, keeps the relationship alive and ultimately prevent divorce or breakup. A healthy relationship can be built around several factors, and I'm here to share just a few with you. Number 1. Confront issues and deal with it objectively. Everyone in his/her bid to win an argument or a confrontation becomes biased even if they know they are guilty. That aside, even if there is a genuine reason, empathizes with the other person. Whenever an issue comes up for deliberation, give your objectively views with no emotions attached. In addition, whenever you find out that particular issues are affecting your relationship, don't hesitate to share it with your partner and have a talk over it. This will help resolve all misunderstandings that could have arrived from such issues. Number 2. Before you try to change your partner, change yourself. I find it interesting when people believe others are the cause of problems but themselves. People are quick to prescribe ideas of change to others, forgetting they may be the source of the problem they are seeking to solve. Whenever you find it convenient to ask others for a change, do yourself a favor by asking, do I also need a change? Number 3. Make the relationship simple. Step out from the world of complexity and make your relationship as simple as possible. Life is better off keeping being under stress and someone always dictating to you as to what to do. Keeping it simple includes not being bossy, creating space for each to enjoy life, and toning down on issues. Nobody wants to be under the shadow of another person or not being allowed to have his or her own life. Some restrictions are acceptable but shouldn't be at the expense of your partner's happiness. I assure you that making things simple is one of the keys to a healthy relationship. Number 4. Spend some time out. Leaving your home to spend some time in a new environment creates an unforgettable experience. You know, same old things become boring, hence the need to sometimes take a trip together, visit a tourist site, acclimatize yourself with nature and spend some nights away from your home. This can rekindle the relationship and bring spice it up. Number 5. Create healthy boundaries. No matter how much you love quest not to hide things from each other, there is the need to create some boundaries. Why should you even think of reading text messages and fidgeting your partner's phone? That is unacceptable and creates suspicions. Don't also get me wrong, creating boundaries doesn't mean partner is trying to be secretive, but such act creates mistrust. So why don't you prevent all future issues by creating a set of rules that would govern your relationship, including setting healthy boundaries? Conclusion: never wait to get things out of hand before trying to find solutions to it. It may be too late when you wait for that to happen, as the relationship could be irreparably damaged. Also, don't be too conservative and adjust yourself for some changes. During the relationship, try to learn from each other, complement each other's shortfalls, and you are good to go. Creating healthy relationship is never an easy task, but with concerted efforts, it can be achieved.